Hi, my name's Tessa and I'm the production coordinator here at TraumaSim. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to put on our forearm TraumaWear. We have a range of forearm TraumaWear items, including lacerations, burns, open fractures, bruises, and gunshot wounds. The silicone in the inner sleeve has a strong grip and won't go on easily if you try to put your hand straight in it. All you need to do is get a bottle of talcum powder and shake some of it into the inside of the sleeve. Rub it around to ensure full coverage. Now you can slip the TraumaWear onto your forearm. You can elevate the look of your TraumaWear by wearing it underneath some torn clothing and adding some extra blood. If you have any difficulty getting the TraumaWear off, add some talcum powder to the outside and roll it off. Flip it right side out again and then wash with warm soapy water. Once dry, it can be packed away. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information or to book an online demonstration, please visit our website.